and here is an article about it in an old...
On the first of this series we showed how I designed the main nameplate for the Singapore logo. On this video we'll show how I did the same for the maker's nameplate of Hawthorne Leslie. We're also going to show two methods of milling out between the lettering, which gives slightly different results. The first thing to do, of course, is to design the nameplate using the Gill Sans font. I've also used ellipses for the main shape, although looking at the image in the magazine I don't think the makers have used ellipses on the original. I think they've just used arcs. This is probably because drawing ellipses by hand is quite a bit more laborious than using simple curves. I'm going to stick with ellipses because I think they're just a little bit more pleasing. This AutoSketch drawing can now be exported as a DXF file, and then that can be imported into the VCarve Pro software. The G-code toolpath information is generated, and then this is transported to the CNC computer. What you're looking at now is a visualization generated by VCarve Pro. And 1 hour 27 minutes later.
1 hour 34 minutes later.
Here's a close-up picture of the one we've just milled out, and this is using a clearance cutter to mill out in between the lettering. The next one is the one where I did not use a clearance cutter and simply used the engraving bit to mill out in between the lettering. I think it gives a finer appearance. Here are the two side by side, and choose for yourself which you like best. I like the one on the right. Here we've got the V-Carve Pro toolpaths shown for the different methods. The first one showing the combined engraving bit plus the clearance cutting toolpath, and the other one simply using the engraving bit for everything. The milled background texture is not terribly important, however, since it is going to be painted anyway.